Stone Floor Cleaning Kingston Upon Thames by Fabritec Stone Care. Are you tired of feeling like you're fighting a losing battle against your natural stone floors? You've tried everything from scrubbing to mopping, but nothing seems to get them clean. It's time to stop the frustration and start searching for a solution. With Fabritec Stone Care, you can say goodbye to dull and lackluster stone and hello to a stunning and vibrant floors. We don't just clean your floors, we restore them. Our unique process removes dirt and grime and brings out the natural beauty of your stone floors. You'll be amazed at the difference our services can make. So if you're tired of searching for a reliable stone floor cleaning service, look no further than Fabritec Stone Care. We'll leave your floors looking so clean, you'll want to eat off of them, but we don't recommend it. Get an estimate for stone and tile cleaning and restoration. Call 077 986 08640 now.